Het jy al gehoor van bederf tot in die afgrond? Ek sê jou bederf tot in die afgrond vir almal 'n seunskind is die ma se skuld. Ek sê dit, ja, mevrou, come at me. It's the mother's fault. Me and Natalie are having a little bit of she's a bit quiet for me because I told her she mustn't do so everything for Ethan, want hy gaat sleg raak. Sy laat hom by my arms week number 2. Why do you let that happen? Don't ever let him. Wanneer ek sê ek kan nie aan kinders nie, let him do his own thing, laat hom goed self doen. You can't do so everything for him. Dis waarom jy 45-year-old manne kry wat nie regtig werk soekie, die ding is sleg. How many times have you heard that? With the lady, the bride in his late 40s, hy het nog nooit regtig standvastige werk gekry nie. Now, yes, there's a shortage of jobs, but don't come at me with that. A lot of ouens aren't even trying. Dis die ma wat hulle so bederf. Sê die pa nie, die ma. En ja, gewoon, and the girls, you guys are so hard, en die ma so hard op die meisiekind. Oh nee, my tyd het ek opgestaan en skoon gemaak. That's why you almost never hear. That's why girls are so independent. South African women are independent. And I promise you, have you ever heard, Natalie, how many times have you heard? Moenie vir my so kykie. How many times have you heard a person say, oh, my daughter is useless, sy lê net by die huis. Never. She's always on her way doing something, cleaning the house. If there's no job, she's trying something. You almost never hear that. Maar die seunskinders, julle bederf, dieselfde vrouens, bederf hy seunskinders in die afgrond. And you are the same ones that complain about the mother-in-law. Oh, my skoonma die, my skoonma die. Is hy selfs skoonma wat jou man so sleg geleer het? Is ja. It's the mother's fault. As die seunskinders treurig is. Am I wrong? Am I wrong? What did you do when you were? Did your mother ever let you sleep in on a Saturday morning and do nothing? Hey? Have you ever done nothing on a Saturday morning? Like, jy lê tot 11:30.
I'm not in this conversation.
No, I'm asking a question.
No. Okay.
Did you have to clean every Saturday? Do something? Huh? Huh? And your brothers, your broers laat slaap net. Ooh, the truth hurts so bad. So bad. Op 9 het my pa my gestuur gaan paraffien skink by die winkel. Dis waarom ek so hardwerkende en uitstekende man is.